Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all some amazing P&G spin deals that you guys can do any day of the week. Plus, I have an awesome gain scenario for you all that turns out to be 86 cents per item. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also please take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so we are back at the kitchen table. Now yesterday was Tuesday. I ran out to DG to try to find some penny items because yesterday we had a pretty good penny list with a lot of items, drinks, drink mixes, and I thought, hey, we could do a penny haul video or a penny shopping video, but unfortunately that was pretty much a complete bust for me. Now I did find a few of the Mother's Day balloons that pennied out. Not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I did find 5 of these on the little sticks, and I gave a couple of them to the cashiers. Now there was a lot more left behind, but I thought, what am I going to do with a bunch of Mother's Day balloons? So I just grabbed a few so that I could show you guys in this video, and then gave some to the cashiers. So that was all for my penny haul. So like I said, it was pretty much a complete bust. So here I am at DG, no penny item, so I decided to just try to make the best of it. I looked around the store to see what I could come up with, and I decided to try to do a gain scenario, a gain deal. And this is one that you guys can do any day this week, because right now we have a 3 off 15 DG store coupon that y'all can use any day. You don't have to wait until Saturday to use it. Now on Monday I uploaded a video going over the 3 off 15 DG store coupon. In that video I give you all the link and I walk you through step by step how to add that to your account. So if you missed that video, I'm going to leave it linked in the pinned comment down below. And then also right after that video I uploaded another video going over some 3 off 15 daily deals. Again, you guys can do them any day this week. Now with that 3 off 15 coupon, it doesn't expire until May the 31st, I do believe. So what I would recommend that y'all do is load it to one account for this week, save a second account for next week, and then come back and load that 3 off 15 to that second account next week, because we're going to have some more 3 off 15 deals to do next week with new digital coupons and new deals. And the reason why I tell you guys to do that is because I don't want the 3 off 15 interfering with your 5 off $25 deals for this Saturday. So just kind of think it through before you go loading that 3 off 15 to all of your accounts, because like I said, we're going to have 3 off 15 deals until the end of May. So we should have some really, really great deals to look forward to. So let's go ahead and jump right into this gain deal, shall we? So like I said, we have that 3 off 15 DG store coupon that we can use any day of the week. Plus we have a 5 off 30 gain DG store coupon that we can use any day of the week. Plus this week at DG we have a spend promotion for P&G products. For when you spend $15 on P&G products, you're going to earn a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. Now I think that promotion does end on Saturday, but the $5 coupons do not expire until May the 21st. So you've got a little time to use those $5 coupons. Just make sure that you don't forget about them. So I decided to try to combine all 3 of those coupons and promotions together and see what would happen, and it worked out perfectly. Now we're going to go over this deal, but make sure that y'all stay tuned until the end. Watch all the way through, because I have some more options for you all. If you don't like Gain products, we have other P&G coupons and products where we can mix and match and come up with some really great deals. And like I said, you guys can do these any day of the week. You don't have to wait until Saturday to do them. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So I picked up 2 of the Gain dishwashing liquids. These are $2.15 each. And we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon, and I'll pop it up there on the screen for you. I also picked up 2 of the Febreze air fresheners. Make sure that they are Gain scented, and make sure that y'all scan to make sure that that Gain 5 off 30 DG store coupon will attach, okay? So picked up 2 of the Febreze. These are $3 each. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. I also picked up 2 of the Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners, Gain scented again. So these are $3 each, and we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for those. I also picked up 2 of the Gain Flings. Now, these are $4.50 each. You guys can mix and match if you want to pick up a Flings and a fabric softener or a scent booster. You guys can choose. Just make sure that they are priced at $4.50 each. So we have one off one digital coupon for these. If you have the P&G, you may have a one off one insert coupon from the P&G insert. If not, you can print it off at pngoodeveryday.com. Now, I didn't have time to print that off for this scenario because I was kind of in a rush to get to penny shopping, but it worked out in the end, and I'll show you how I did it. So, 2 of the Gain Flings. We have a one off one digital coupon for the Gain laundry products that are priced at $4.50. Then I picked up a Swiffer product. These are the for dry sweeping cloths. You can also pick up the mopping refills or the Swiffer duster. I would have preferred to have the Swiffer dusters, but this was all that they had. So these are $5, and we have a one-off one digital coupon for the Swiffer products as well. Then I threw in a $1 Gain product from the Dollar Aisle. Now you can pick up, this is the fabric softener. They also have the liquid laundry detergent, and they also have dish soap. This was all that they had at that store, but make sure that y'all scan to make sure that it attaches to that 5 off 30 Gain coupon, okay? So I threw this in so that I would hit that $30 subtotal. Then I was walking through the toothpaste section and the toothbrushes, and I spotted these Oral-B Bright and Clean toothbrushes, and they were not in the correct spot. So you guys make sure that your eyes are peeled. Be on the lookout for these. Look at all of the toothbrushes because, like I said, I think this was under the $7 toothbrush spot, but these are $1. So they had 2 of those. I got lucky, found 2, and we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. So that made these free, plus gave me $1 in overage. So it was basically like that $1 applied to that, took the place of that $1 printable coupon that I didn't have time to print off. So that worked out perfectly. All right, guys, so taking a quick look at my receipt here, we have 2 store discounts. So that means the 3 off 15 DG store coupon did apply, plus that 5 off 30 DG store coupon. So they both work together. So as y'all can see, all of my digital coupons did come off. There's the Gain dish soap. There is the Febreze. There is the Gain Flings. There is the Oral-B 3 off 2. Keep in mind your subtotal for all of your Gain products has to be over $30 for all of your Gain products and your Gain scented products. Then you have to spend $15 out of pocket. There are my 1 penny balloons. You do have to spend $15 out of pocket to receive back that $5 coupon. So subtotal was $15.42. I paid that out of pocket. Total savings was about $18. And I did receive the $5 coupon on the bottom of my receipt here. Let me make sure I'm not showing anything important. So $5 coupon on the bottom of the receipt. And it doesn't expire until May the 21st. So there you have it, guys. I hope you guys can get out there and grab up this deal. And if you're not a Gain person, stay tuned because I'm about to show you some more P&G deals that you can do any day of the week. All right, guys, now this is an older slide that I usually use for our Saturday scenarios, but I just wanted to give you all a quick reminder that it is so important to scan all of your Gain scented products because you want to make sure that that 5 off 30 Gain coupon attaches to each and every one, because sometimes that 5 off 30 Gain coupon does not work with all of the Gain products or all of the Gain scented products. So again, scan. Alright guys, so here is the basic Gain scenario that I went into DG with. As you all saw in that video clip, I did end up changing it up just a little bit because I found those Oral-B toothbrushes. I used that $1 in overage to take the place of a 1 off 1 internet printable coupon that I didn't have time to print off. But here's the basic scenario. You want to pick up 2 of the Gain laundry products at $9, 2 of the Mr. Clean Multi surface cleaners at $6, 2 of the Gain scented Febreze air fresheners at $6, 2 of the Gain dish soaps at $4.30, 1 of the Gain scented Swiffer dusters at $5, and 1 Gain product from the Dollar Aisle for $1. That is going to put your subtotal at $31.30. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain, your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product, the 1 off 1 Gain laundry product that you can find in the P&G insert, or you can print it off from the P&G website, the 1 off 2 Mr. Clean, the 3 off 2 Febreze, the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, and the 1 off 1 Swiffer product. Your subtotal after coupons will be $15.30 for 10 items. You're going to get back a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and that is going to make your final price $10.30 for all 10 items, making each one just $1.03 each. Alright guys, so here's another household deal that I am loving and y'all can do any day this week. So pick up one of the Charmin Essentials 12 count bath tissue at $4.95, one of the Bounty Essentials 6 count paper towels at $4.95, one of the Downy fabric softener products, you can choose from the liquid, the scent boosters, or the sheets at $4.50, two of the Febreze air fresheners at $6, two of the Gain dish soaps at $4.30, sorry about that typo there, but they are $2.15 each, and one of the Dawn dish soaps or the Gain products found in the dollar aisle for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $25.70. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 1 off 1 Charmin, the 1 off 1 Bounty, the 1 off 1 Downy, the 3 off 2 Febreze air fresheners, and the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $15.70 for all 8 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt, and that is going to make your final price $10.70 for all 8 items, making each one just $1.33 each. Alright guys, so for this next one, we're going to throw in a couple of personal care items. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Head & Shoulders Eucalyptus Scent at $8.50. They're $4.25 each. One of the Always Discreet Liners at $5.80. 2 of the Febreze Air Fresheners at $6. 3 of the Puffs Cubed Tissue Boxes, the little single boxes at $5.10. 1 of the Charmin or Bounty Essentials at $4.95, so you can choose which one you want to pick up. Then 2 of the Crest and Oral-B products for $2. Those are $1 each. That's going to bring your subtotal to $32.35. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 3 off 15 DG store coupon, the 3 off 2 Head & Shoulders, the 2 off 1 Always Discreet, the 3 off 2 Febreze air fresheners, the 1 off 3 Puffs tissues, and the 1 off 1 Charmin or Bounty, whichever one you choose to pick up, and the 3 off 2 Crest and Oral-B products. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $16.35 for 11 items, but you're going to get back that $5 coupon, so that's going to make your final price $11.35 for 11 items, making each one just $1.03 each. And once you're done shopping, don't forget to scan your receipt into the P&G Good Everyday Rewards program. That way you can earn points on all of those P&G products that you purchased, and then you can turn those points into gift cards. Now, if you're not already signed up, my referral link is down in the description box below. And then y'all don't forget about those 2 videos that I uploaded for you guys on Monday. So the first one is with that 3 off 15 DG store coupon link. Plus I walk y'all through step by step how to add it to your account. Then the second video that I uploaded on Monday goes over some daily deals that y'all can do all week long at DG. Plus we have a new glitch. So if you missed those videos, definitely go and check them out. I will have both of those linked in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but make sure that y'all stay tuned because I plan on going to Walgreens, Family Dollar, plus I have some amazing scenarios planned out for us for this Saturday at DG. We're going to take advantage of the 5 off 25, the spin deals, the 5 off 35, the 5 off 30. We're going to throw it all in there and we're going to come out with some awesome deals. So make sure that you are subscribed, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below and let me know how y'all are doing today, and please share the video. All of those things really do make a huge difference in how my videos perform, so please do all of those things for me. Alright guys? Alright, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.